purchased a Tornado after a difficult harvest some years ago where many farmers were having fires starting from the lentil dust, and we were included in that. That particular year we fitted the Tornado on halfway through the lentil harvest, and it seemed to make a significant difference in moving the problem away from the manifold area. When it gets quite difficult and you have the fire danger, you have to stop every couple of hours to clean down the machine. So at present we only do that at night time. Since we've had the machine, we think it's done the job and taken the risk away, but every year is different, of course. We would purchase another one because the original one we have now transferred onto a replacement header.